Diddy Combs' sex trafficking case is set to involve a series of celebrities who face being sued alongside the rapper. The rapper, 54, is in jail in New York awaiting trial, and lawyer Tony Busby, who is representing more than 120 fresh alleged victims of the performer, has said he is getting ready to issue a raft of new lawsuits against high-profile names. The rapper, 54, is in jail in New York awaiting trial, and lawyer Tony Busby, who is representing more than 120 fresh alleged victims of the performer, has said he is getting ready to issue a raft of new lawsuits against high-profile names. He added during a chat with TMZ Live about the upcoming cases, "I'll let the lawsuits speak for themselves. Everyone's focused on what other celebrities were involved, who's going to be named, who's going to be outed. I don't expect that to happen this week. I'm hoping to file some lawsuits this week." Busby announced at a press conference on October 1 his Busby law firm and the AVA Law Group were representing a group of more than 120 victims, made up of men and women, who say they were sexually assaulted by Combs and subjected to sex trafficking by the rapper in offenses allegedly dating back to the early 1990s. Both firms said they had been contacted by more than 3,000 individuals, but no lawsuits had yet been filed. Busby added in an update on the cases, "Of course we'll include Mr. Combs and some corporate entities, but we want to make sure if we name individuals beyond Mr. Combs that we make sure that we've done our homework, because it's going to create a firestorm and we understand that. We're going to make sure we dot our I's and cross our T's." He warned about celebrities who attended Combs' now infamous freak-off gatherings. "I want to be clear about something. If you were attending one of these parties, and you attended before or you knew what was going to happen, that is, you know that a particular drug was being used in drinks and was causing people to be coerced and taken advantage of, and you were there in the room, or you participated, or you watched it happen and didn't say anything, or you helped cover it up, in my view you have a problem. As we file each one of these cases, we're going to make an effort to resolve them on the front end, but failing that, we're going to file public lawsuits and pursue these cases aggressively. A lot of people attended these parties. A lot of people saw this activity going on, a lot of people allowed it to go on, said nothing, didn't intervene, maybe benefited from it, profited from it. All of these individuals and entities, in my view, have exposure here. In every single case, especially cases like this, we collect our data, collect our evidence, do our due diligence, spend time with the victim, and then, because it's in the best interest of the victim, we attempt to resolve these matters without the filing of a public lawsuit. And we have done that already, I would say, with a handful of individuals, many of which you've heard of before, and we will continue to do that. That's just the standard process that every lawyer in the United States who handles these types of cases uses, because it's the right way to do it." Combs was arrested in September on charges of sex trafficking, racketeering, conspiracy, and transportation to engage in prostitution. A 14-page federal indictment claimed the rapper had abused, threatened, and coerced women and others around him for decades. Combs has pleaded not guilty to the charges and is remanded in the Metropolitan Detention Center, Brooklyn, New York, until his trial.